Good evening, friends. I am Venkataraman. I had been giving presentation videos on series of retirement planning with help of spreadsheets. We have covered so far spreadsheet 1, 2 and 3. This session we will have spreadsheet 4, which is for single premium at the age of 30, that is if the current age is 30, and also another sheet for current age 60 with yearly periodicity, so that we can have a small spreadsheet. Let us go to the next one. We had discussed in the previous sessions the spreadsheets 01, 02, 03, and now let us discuss the retirement planning with single premium in spreadsheet as well as the author's web-based program. The outcome of the investments particulars are listed in the following table with annual periodicity. For a 30 years age entrant, one would require a single premium of 21 lakhs with 30 years waiting period, and in case of 60 years person, that is the person who want to take the retirement plan immediately, and waiting period is 0, immediately we are taking it and having the policy for about 25 years, then let us say 60 to 85 years. Then the person would require 84 lakhs. Let us see in the how to create the spreadsheet, and let us see in the spreadsheet. I have created headings. Let us not waste time in creating the headings and sizing the one, sizing the columns, etc. A1, the field 1, is the variable field for our goal seek option. That is an add-on extension for a Google sheet. There is a goal seek is there. For that we have to provide a variable field, and the variable field with some estimation. Let us take it as a 10 lakh rupees estimated figure. That is, we say for 10 lakh rupees investment, what is going to happen? And then we will find exactly what is the match for this. Let us say we start the age at 30. Post retirement expenses prorated to current level of 35,000 rupees per month. That is 4,20,000 rupees at the current level. Other expenses we will need not try to fill it up here because we are not going to use any of these figures. Then investment. This is equal to our variable field A1, and let us round it off to nearest two places. Round off to A1, comma 2 places. Then the rate of return we assume just like in our previous case 11%. Frequency factor is 1, and inflation percentage is equal to 6%. Now the run balance or corpus building during the first year will be equivalent to a round off figure of investment, investment field is here. Investment multiplied by 1 plus a return percentage divided by factor, the frequency factor, comma 2 decimal places. Let's see for the second year, that is 31st year. We'll give it as a formula, previous field plus 1. This is equal to round off previous figure multiplied by 1 plus inflation factor. Now we are not filled up, let us fill it up later, no problem. Divided by factor, comma, 2 places. Now division 0, we have not filled up, let us fill it up. Where this will be, see, current year investment becomes 0 because we are having a single premium. This is equal to the previous figure itself. Similarly, the return is similarly equal to previous year. The frequency factor also equal to previous year. Inflation percent also equal to previous year. And now the run balance of this year is equal to round figure of previous run balance or corpus plus current year investment 0, both multiplied by 1 plus return figure, return percentage divided by factor, that is frequency factor, comma, 2 decimal places. Round spelling गलत है, round spelling. Okay. Now let us copy this field to up to 59 years. Now run balance post retirement, that is at the end of the investment period, it will be equal to this field. This is a convenient field, that's all. Convenient cell, that's all. Nothing more to worry about it. It is same as the last corpus fund generated there. This retirement starts here. It's equal to the figure, the expenses, and will continue. We get the prorated expenses at this place, and up to 84 years we continue. The division 0 because other fields are not filled up. Let us fill up these fields. I'll continue as the same rate of return and same rate of inflation percentage. Let us take now, I will calculate the post retirement run balance. This is equal to round figure of the previous figure, previous run balance multiplied by 1 plus return divided by frequency factor, comma, 2 decimal places. Okay. This is corresponding to start of 1 lakh rupees investment, therefore it is a smaller one. We will find out exactly what the right answer is. Then we will have there is something wrong, 25 or 20 minus the, we have to subtract the expenses. Expenses are 2 lakh here, express 24 lakh. Corresponding to 4 lakh at age of 30, at age of 60, at the time of retirement, we have to have 24 lakhs. This, and we'll copy this field below. Now this is negative. For 1 lakh is too small, therefore we are having negative figure. Let us come to this maturity factor. Maturity factor is equal to a round figure of 1 plus inflation factor, that is, we will take the last one, divided by frequency factor, multiplied by, raised to the power of number of years, that is last year minus year before retirement, comma 4 decimal places. We have to take 4 decimal because we are going to have the field as cell as percentage, expressed as percentage, 429.19%. Desired maturity is equal to a round figure of corpus at the beginning of the retirement, that is at the end of the pre-retirement period, multiplied by the factor, maturity factor, comma 2 places rounding off. Now the target field. Target field is equal to the last run balance minus our desired maturity. This field has to be, if this field comes out 0, then we will have our required desired investment. Now with 1 lakh rupees we found that it is minus 23 crore, that is 23 crore less than the desired maturity. Now let us see the goal seek. This is a feature called goal seek, which I got from after adding on as an additional. By installing add-on to Google Sheet, we can get it. Open it, and this target field is we are selected. We have kept it. Have kept the cell selected. We'll select it, and this value has to come to 0 or nearer to that. Then the variable field is A1. This we have taken. Now let us solve it. If everything is correct, this we will also be able to get a correct answer. Yes, we got it. It has worked out, and the maturity is coming to be 20 crore 71 lakhs. The investment has worked out to be 2.1 million or 21.07 lakh, 21 lakh 7,000 is the investment required. Now let us see for the annual premium. This is for annual periodicity. Now let us work out for single premium 60 years. This is a workout figure. Anyhow, we will come from our start. Have this fields. Let us say the filled up fields are calculated fields. Copy it onto another sheet from age to from the corresponding fields and let us copy it. Now, starting field, let us take it as, again like previous case, let us take it as 10 lakh. One lakh हो गया, but let us take it as 10 lakh. The first field with investment is has to be from this. But now we are not starting at 0. Starting at 30 years, we are going to start at 60th year. Therefore, let us take this as figure as 0. At 59th year ending figure, let us take this 59th closing balance figure to be, this is a convenient field, which is equal to round off the first field, that is A1, comma 2 decimal places. At 60th year installment, retirement investment is equal to same as previous year closing balance, previous year and balance. A subsequent investment is 0 only. We start withdrawing. Now, a second figure is equal to same. The formula is same as previous case. Previous round off of previous figure, previous run balance, multiplied by 1 plus return 11% divided by factor minus the expenses. Current year, the 60th year expenses would be 24 lakhs 12,000. This is wrong. We are starting with the 60 years. Therefore, at 60 year, we will be spending 4 lakh 20,000. The previous figures, we can leave it as 0 itself. 30 is not concerned. We are not concerned with 30. Our present age is 60. Therefore, 60th age, we start with 4 lakh 20,000. Now, we have considered 10 lakh as the investment. Let us now calculate our target, goal seek. Goal seek. Also 429 for 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the investment figure or corpus figure. Now it goes here, then. This is the investment field. This is the target field. We have to zero eyes in order to get to the goal. In order to go getting the exact figure of what is the investment required at the age of 60. Let us take this. Let us set this field. Yes, taken value to 0 and changing cell is A1. Right from A1, we will see. Now let us solve. The solving, and it will taking up iterations, 9 iterations over it. Graph also changing. We coming to nearest answer. Now 34. It will go up to somewhere around 70 iterations. 50, 53. Accordingly, the graph also changing. We are coming nearer. Now it has come. Yes, it is 11 paisa. We have solved it. See, at the end of 59th year, it is 84 lakh 26 rupees. And it can generate a maturity fund of 3.6 crore. See the first field, it is the current year investment is 84 lakh. That is, if a person is 60 years old and immediately he wants to withdraw the pension or withdraw the investments, then withdraw from the run balance. See, run balance is 84 lakhs. Out of 84 lakhs, 4 lakhs is taken out for that year. Next year, 4.45 lakh, and so on and so forth. In the meantime, we have got a return of 11%, and accordingly, we got a balance of 3.6 crore, 60 crore. Now let us see, go to the web page. Here is the web page, bnvenkat.com, my website, and we have got a combo plan. Combo plan is SIP plus withdrawal. It's a single premium option. Check in. 11% interest rate we are taking it. These are all given in default for 30 years age of entrant, and 50 total years is 55 years. 55 years we'll have yearly calculation. Frequency is yearly, and the inflation we start with 6. Blank for the subsequent field is same as ditto for the previous year. Now let us submit it. We have got a figure of 21,07,498.33. In our, what is our retirement figure here in our spreadsheet? Also we have got 21,07,498.33 paisa. In combo plan we have got 33 paisa. That is exactly up to the paisa. We got same figure. Now let us see about this calculation for 60 years entrant. Single premium on 60 years entrant, and this is a yearly frequency. Inpatient percentage is 6% throughout default. Continue. Submit. We got a figure of 84 lakhs 26 rupees 40 paisa. In retirement calculation of single premium figure at the age of 60, we got a figure of 84 lakhs 26 rupees 34 paisa. There is a small difference, minor difference in paisa. Accordingly, the target, the final round off figure is 11 paisa here. In our Google sheet, the final round off is 35 paisa. This will get answers. Both we got the same answers, and when my software is quite accurate. Okay, let us see our presentation page. The summary. Summary is investment at 30 years means 21 lakh, and waiting time 30 years. Retirement age 60 and expected life is 85. For this, we will have corpus at the retirement time as 4.82 crore, and maturity after allowing retirement expenses is 20 crore. We leave a fortune of 20 crore to the nominee. In case of nominee after 55 years, because 30 years waiting period and 25 years retirement period. For retirement, we have, for our expenses, we have taken out 13 crore 23 lakhs from the return. In case of 60 years entrant, that is, today itself person is investing it, and waiting period is 0 years. In such a case, he has to shut down 84 lakhs, and the maturity factor is again 429.17, same factor, but retirement age is 25 years, that is same. Therefore, the multiplication factor is the same, but the corpus generated corpus is the same as investment, that is 84 lakhs only, and 4.29 times of 84 lakhs is 3.6 crore, and we would have got 2.3 crore as the pension benefit. Okay. This is that is all for today. Let us continue the discussion in our next session, and we will talk about some other goal other than a retirement option in the next one. Thanks for watching. B. N. Venkataraman. Thank you. Let me close the video.